Okay, I'm gonna share with you my Target run. I went in there for one thing. I literally went in there for one thing, but I came out with, we'll say 3 things, but there's multiple of one. So, I'm gonna start with the cheapest item here. Look at this. These pumpkin baskets. These are $1. And we're gonna be making some boo baskets for all of my nieces and nephews who live up and down the East Coast. So some little Halloween fun. These are great. I saw them and immediately I was like, I have to get these for the kids. So they're $1, which are great. I was trying to find tote bags, but these will do. But look at that, $1. And I got 7 of them. So I'm really excited about these. They seem pretty good quality, but make sure when you're picking them out, you go through them and look at them, because there were a few of them that were cracked. So I had to look at each one because a few of them I picked out were cracked. The one thing that I went in for the store was this, the most adorable ghost mug. There was a ghost mug a few years ago that was so cute, and I should have gotten it and I did not, and now you can't get it, or you have to pay like $100 for someone on eBay to get it. But I went in for this mug specifically and I came out with this. When I was looking at this mug, this is thank God it's dishwasher safe. I always have such a hard time getting the tags off, but this mug is so cute. It's a little sleepy ghost. I thought it'd be perfect for coffee. It seems a lot more durable. It was $5. It seems a lot more durable than I was expecting, and it's really heavy. So it's gonna be a new mug in my collection. But when I was in there, I also saw this mug, another pumpkin mug. This was also $5. That's the Hide and Eek Boutique. This too, very durable. They both went in the dishwasher when they got home, so they're both dishwasher safe. Even the graphics on here still look good, but these 2 mugs I'm really excited for adding to my Halloween collection. So excited for these. And that's my Target run. You know, go in for one thing, kind of come out with a lot of stuff.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to smash that subscribe button and check out the Lilies and Loafers channel for more good stuff. We'll see you soon.